friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is quick and easy kimchi within 10 minutes. So let's get started. First, we are going to take 200 grams of cabbage and we are going to dice it. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. As you can see, this is the size we want. And then we are going to take one cucumber, see, dicing it. Then one carrot, similarly dice it as well. We'll add salt, about 2 tablespoons, and then mix it really well. We'll settle it and we'll keep it for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we'll make our sauce. So for that we need apple cider vinegar, which is about 1 cup. Then to that we are adding 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. Then we are adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it really well. Now we will boil this for 5 minutes continuously. Now we will add rice flour with water, that is about 2 tablespoons rice flour, add in 4 tablespoons of water, and we pour it in the sauce little by little while stirring it. You can see now it has become a thick consistency. Now to this we will add 1 cup of spring onion and we are going to mix it really well. Pour enough water and wash this. Wash it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times. Make sure you strain off the water really well. Put all your energy while straining it. Now let's add our sauce. Mix it really well. Then to this we'll add dark soya sauce for about 1 tablespoon and mix it. There, our kimchi is ready. Just within 10 minutes. Enjoy this with your favorite sushi or ramen. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.